Yes. Hello, my friends. This is Munya Scripts, straight out Agari Films production, and here basically I've come to share with you on how different stuff is done. So remember to subscribe and keep watching Gary Films. Keep watching Gary Films production music movies that we actually produce. A music producer, basically dealing in a video movies, and a lot of stuff, memory lanes, weddings, everything that basically requires coverage and shooting using video cameras. So I formed this channel to like be able to share with you on how different stuff is done. So basically this channel is basically intended to like equip you with knowledge on how to do different stuff. Call it in music, call it in photography, call it in like acquiring different knowledge that can help you as an artist, as a musician, as a filmmaker, as someone in the music industry, or someone else. You can like get some ideas on how to grow different stuff, on how to do different stuff, and you happen to be earning some income at the side. So stay watching and remember to subscribe so that everything that happens you get to know. So today we are in the village. Basically, we are in the village. I came this side to eat my Christmas with some of my family members. So that is how I spent my Christmas. So I've not been active seriously. We've not been having some lessons in graphics, but we are going to be picking up. In this video I've showed you how I'm going to be showing you how to like plant, to like have a look at sweet potatoes, maize, what else can be grown with sweet potatoes. So continue with the video. Don't unsubscribe, subscribe. We are having a lot of stuff to be shared with you. As you see here, we are having maize plants, okay, bananas. So thanks for watching. So we are in the village, and this is how a banana plant looks like, and this is a banana. These are like bananas on the banana tree before they are harvested. So this was a little bit weak, and it was put on a stick to support it, support it as a stick. So then here is one that is just growing. Are you seeing it? So that is the banana plant. Then here we continue this side. And have the sweet potatoes. So these were basically made today, and after making them, leaves were inserted. I seeing them, they're a little bit getting dry, but when it happens to rain, they will regain, and now they happen to bear fruits inside this hill-like structure that was like dug, a pile of soil. So soil is piled, and then the sweet potato leaves are like inserted on top to go inside. So after like 3 days, when it happens to rain, or when they happen to absorb some soil moisture, they happen to pick up and they grow. So this is how we do it in Uganda. So now I think them. So what other crop can you grow with the sweet potatoes? So you can also grow maize with sweet potatoes, as you see. So maize is already at the size of harvesting. Let me show you. I think so it is already at the size of harvesting, but besides it being on that size, it is already now grown with what? Sweet potatoes. So these two can be grown together with no any complication, as you see. Now, like, which other crop? Are you seeing the other side where you see cassava plant already there? We are seeing cassava plants also grown with sweet potatoes, and after leaving this size, so now they are happening to be grown, so they turn to that size. They are not ready to be harvested. They are not ready to be harvested, but they are doing what? Like, they are growing, and they are growing to start having sweet potatoes inside them, over inside that soil that was piled together, and leaves were inserted on top, as we see it here. So now, after some time, they are going to be bearing fruits. Okay, the sweet potatoes inside, as you see them. Then, after bearing fruits, now they are harvested. You've seen maize, how it is grown with like that. It can be grown with with sweet potatoes. Yes, and we have also talked about cassava, that cassava can also be grown with sweet potatoes. And that is it basically. Remember to share, subscribe, and stay watching Munya Scripts Lifestyle, where we are like sharing a lot of stuff on education, on having some tips. We are looking forward to like having different tours, how several ideas are shared in music. So basically this channel is all about education, acquiring knowledge on basically my culture, how different stuff is done basically in music, life, being, well-being, where you can invest, and a lot of more stuff that is to be shared in this channel.